good. A box within a box, so these sides get smashed in, as some of them do have a little bit of wear and tear on the corners. See, another box. Make sure I don't cut down too deep.
Edge protector came off in the box, so that didn't help it much. Flow formed. Obviously I think this is the 8.5. Not very heavy. I'm going to weigh these wheels, weigh them, and I'm trying to weigh everything. Weigh the tires, weigh the wheels, these wheels, and then the stock chrome, black chrome wheels that are on the car, the 8.5. These are the 8.5 inch, and then I've got two in the 10.5 inch, or 10 inch, I'm sorry, 10 inch, not 10.5, 10 inch, 8.5 and 10 inch. So yeah, that's what they look like, and I'll put them on, test fit them on the car, and mock them up, make sure, you know, everything clears, everything looks good, and then everything go from there.
All right, YouTube folks, I need some help. These are the wheels that I bought. These are the wheels that I like. I've searched a lot of different wheels. These were the ones, and they were some of the lightest in the 22 to 20 pounds for the 10-inch rear wheel portion, and the 8.5 is obviously the 20. So very, very lightweight, high quality wheels. And here's the problem. I mean, the offset, their fronts are, well, I'm not even going to deal with the fronts with the offset. They fit fine. They were like plus 38 or 32. The rears, there were two options, a 42 plus offset, and I think the other one was maybe a 32 or 38. And so obviously the 42 is going to have the center portion of the wheel that's going to have that pushed out further, so that the barrel of the wheel is more positioned inside under the fender. So, you know, as you can clearly see, these stick out about 1.5 inches past the OEM wheels that were on the car, maybe, you know, approaching up to 2 inches. So they are sticking out quite far. And so, you know, I want to clarify, the people that sold the wheels to me, the company, it's a big company, and they looked in their computer and said, it's good that, you know, if you at least have verification, because if you need to return these, you know, you'd be on your own if you made a bad decision. But we're showing these can fit on your car. So short story, is that they stick out about 1.5 inches, and they are clearly very, very close that they are going to, when the cars drop down, that they are going to interfere with the wheel moving up into the suspension travel. So I really like these wheels. They're going to look really, really good. But I mean, I can't have them interfere and damage my fender, and I'm not going to roll the fenders. And so these are not anything extreme on the offsets. So in short, these would probably have to be 50 millimeter or 50 off plus 50 offset, or even up to a plus 55 offset. And they just don't make wheels with that much offset, or at least positive offset. So check these photos out. Anyone that has a little bit more experience, I don't have a whole lot of viewers, so asking for expertise in a certain area, this may be asking too much. But, if you have experience with wheels and you've seen this situation or greater and this will work, let me know. I want to keep these wheels. I'm in contact with the company there. It said that I can return them and I will not be responsible for shipping. So, but I don't want to return them and not be able to do the 10-inch rear wheels. So thank you. Check all my photos out. Let me know what you think and give me your opinion. Have a good day. All right, quickly want to add, my car has got all the stock suspension. Nothing has been changed with my suspension. So stock ride height.